They told you that time is money. They lied. In the digital age, time is infinite, but focus is scarce. Look at your screen time right now. That is not just hours lost. That is wealth transferred. Every time you scroll, you are paying a tax. You are the customer, and your attention is the currency. The algorithm was designed by people with PhDs to keep you poor, docile, and distracted. While you watch others live in 4K, your reality is decaying in 480p. You wonder why you cannot build the business. It is because your dopamine receptors have been fried by cheap thrills. You are technically alive, but your ambition is dead. Let's look at the biology. When you check your notifications, your brain releases a hit of dopamine similar to a drug. It feels good for 3 seconds. Then, the crash hits. To get back to baseline, you need another hit, and another. You are stuck in a biological loop of consumption. You cannot build wealth because you cannot hold a thought for more than 15 seconds without reaching for your pocket. Real wealth requires deep work. It requires silence. If you cannot sit in a room alone for 30 minutes, you do not own your mind. And if you do not own your mind, you will never own assets. So, how do we break the chains? It starts with digital asceticism. Step 1. Turn your phone to grayscale. Make the slot machine boring. Step 2. The monk mode morning. No screens for the first 90 minutes. This is when your brain is most powerful. Do not sell your prime hours to the algorithm. Step 3. Build, don't consume. The next time you feel the urge to scroll, remember this. Poverty is a distraction. Wealth is a focus. Welcome to the Sterling Archive.